Alright, our last laptop project went pretty good, so I'm going to try to upgrade the RAM in this Acer. It's supposed to have an extra slot in there for it, so I'm going to try to open it up and see if that's true. Alrighty, like the other one, I'm going to start over here and remove the screw. And all the screws are the same size, so on this model you don't have to worry about which one goes where. Get rid of that. Alright, now then, I'm going to see if we can pop this open. I'm going to start right here. Maybe here. There it is. It's real thin. It's not way down in there. There we go. There we go. Now then, now you can go around, hopefully. There we go. Look at that. Got the top off anyway. And there is the slot for the RAM. Excuse me. First, I want to disconnect this battery. They say it's not good to try to put that in there. But before I do anything else, I'm going to open this up and make sure it'll fit in there, I guess. Make sure I got the right one. And flip it over, and it looks like it's the right one. And to figure out which way it goes, that little old slot right there, there's a little old slot right there. I'll show you before I put it in there. Let me set that over to the side for the moment, and I'm going to try to unplug this battery. Before we do any more work on it. Alright, I'm going to try to grab this tab on this side, and this tab on this side, and there you go. Disconnect the battery. Now then, the battery's disconnected. Now we can put the RAM in. And looks like it's down, so I'm going to pull these tabs. No, it's right. All right. See if you can see this. See that little old slot right there? It fits right there. If it's the wrong direction, the little slot won't line up and it won't fit. Alright, we're going to try to put the RAM in. There it goes. Oh, it's like at a 45-degree angle. You got to put it in there. And then, there we go. And then mash down. Look at there, and it clicks in. Voila. We upgraded the RAM. Hopefully. Now let's see if we can get this battery hooked back up. There. There we go. That side and that side. Make sure it's make sure it's on there, and put the tape back on to make sure it stays on there. Voila! Now then, let's see if we can put it back together. Going together is easier, isn't it? Now just put all the screws back in, and I'll see if it'll work. Needs to be magnetized, and I'll show you how to do it here in a little bit on the next video. All right. The RAM is upgraded. So let me see if it actually works. There we go. It's booting up, so it worked. Maybe. I don't know. There it is. Upgraded and put back together. I may start working on laptops more often. Okay, I guess that's it for now.